स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello friends, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video, we'll talk all about this social entrepreneurship, and to pursue your post-graduation in social entrepreneurship through TIS, then you have to crack TISNET. So here we'll cover the important points like eligibility criteria, the paper pattern, cutoff, the selection process, complete program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus and the placement. So stay tuned with me guys, here we go. So friends, as you know, due to the pandemic situation, all the classroom preparations are on the hold basis. So resume your preparation by kickstart the preparation button and join online coaching where you can call on this number or you can simply visit at maneuveredu.com. So let's move further. As you know, to pursue the Master of Arts in Social Entrepreneurship, you have to crack the TISNET. So first of all, we will talk about the TISNET. So it is national level exam conducted by the TIS Institute where you can pursue your post graduation in various programs. So there are as many as 53 number of programs. So here the eligibility criteria says you must have the bachelor's degree, that is either 3 years or 4 years. So friends, here is the age criteria says no age bar. Let's talk about the exam details, such as the mode will be online, the number of question will be 100, the time duration here you will get 100 minutes, and the marking system, for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, and for each incorrect answer you will get 0. That means no negative marking system here. Let's talk about the paper pattern here. It includes mainly 3 sections, such as English, 30 question out of it, mathematics and logical reasoning, 30 question out of it, and the general awareness, 40 questions out of it. So here overall 100, and here you have to score 55 to 60 plus marks. So let's move further. We'll talk about the selection process here. So friends, as you know, the TISNET score will play as the qualifying role here, and after that you will move to the second stage, that is the pre-interview test and the personal interview, where the weightage for these 2 rounds will be in the ratio of 70/30. So let's move further. Here we'll talk about the campus. So friends, as you know, Mumbai campus is the hub for all programs offered by the TIS, and it is the oldest campus. It is established in 1936, and most of the programs offered by the TIS you can pursue through Mumbai campus only. So let's talk about the program details. So friends, the School of Management and Labor Studies offers the Master of Arts in various programs such as the Social Entrepreneurship, Globalization and Labor, Master of Arts and Master of Science in Analytics, in HRM, that is Human Resource Management and Labor Relations, and Master of Arts in ODCL, that is Organization Development, Change and Leadership. So friends, here we'll talk in detail about the Social Entrepreneurship. So for this program, the School of Management and Labor Studies has the seat intake of 34. The duration of course here is for 2 years, that is 4 semester. It includes 2 internship and 1 rural practicum, that means 3 internships. And friends, the one of the biggest highlight of the social entrepreneurship course is the pilot venture, and it will be of 3 months, and program also includes research dissertation. So friends, as the question arises in your mind, that is, what is social entrepreneurship? As you know, entrepreneurship means to start the new business, or we can simply say that startup, right? But friends, the social entrepreneurship, that means your startup and your business process can lead to the necessary changes to the society, where the social entrepreneurs identify the social problems and use entrepreneurial skills to achieve positive changes. That means the social entrepreneurs can create change in the society, in the economic system, in the market system, and deliver something which generally not taught through other businessmen or entrepreneurs. So to create platform where budding social entrepreneurs can change the social problems, where this program cover an overview of economics, politics, sociology, innovative problem solving, venture creation, business and organizational management, and leadership. So overall it targets towards developing entrepreneurial skills, and it includes 3 major components. The first one is social context, the second one is the entrepreneurship skills, and the third one is the management practices. So this is the program details. So let's move to the fee structure, and here the academic fees is 1.05 lakh only, and with hostel fees it is just 2.30 lakhs only. Here the TIS has very nominate fee structure, thus you will get the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment. So let's move to the career scope and the placement. In the social entrepreneurship program, students prefer most for the own startups where they want to create a change in the society by their entrepreneurial skills being as a change agent. And with regarding the placement, there are many organizations which take part in the placement cell such as KPMG, CIPLA, ALC, Piramal Foundation, IPAC and others, where you can be play various leadership role in project manager, project leaders, project planning, business development, strategy and strategic management, ancillary development, operations, in CSR or CSR consultancy, in social sector consultancy, as the field manager, in fundraising, in networking and partnership, and in commercial or social marketing roles. So friends, there is a vast career scope where you will get the highest package as 9 lakh per annum. With respect to class A companies, the median stand at 6 to 9 lakh per annum and the lowest at 4 to 6 lakh per annum. And friends, as the pilot venture is one of the biggest highlight of this course, so here the TIS has the partnership with the DBS where this launch various schemes and has the various funding options, which includes startup funding, the research funding, the running capital, and for generating new revenue streams. And here are some ventures started by the alumni of social entrepreneurship program such as the Bharat Calling, Uncancer India, the Krishi Naturals, Apni Shala and the Sampurna Earth. So friends, if you have keen interest to learn the new decision making skills, and if you feel there is a need to change the business ecosystem in the society, then you should join the social entrepreneurship program. If you want to pursue your post graduation in social entrepreneurship, then I suggest go to these ventures website where you can understand the journey of becoming entrepreneurship to social entrepreneurship. So friends, to pursue this course you have to crack the TISNet, and to crack TISNet, join Manwar online program where you will get book, mock test, sectional and the full course. And you can also attend our live lectures. So call on 8828581455 or you can simply visit at manwaredu.com/MBA entrance. And friends, if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.